Do you have a 5G enabled smartphone? But most of the time when you turn on the mobile data, it connects to either 4G or 3G networks. Let's solve this problem. Go to Google Play Store. Search NR Monster. Install this app. Open it. Grant the required permissions. On this page, click these three dots. Click Phone Info. On this page, click this list here which says Set Preferred Network Type. Select the NR Only option. Now scroll down. And click this Run Ping Test button. Once you see Pass written in front of the HTTP client test, our job is done. Right now I'm connected to a Wi-Fi. Now I'll turn on the mobile data. Most of the time it either connects to 4G or 3G networks and hardly connects to the 5G network. Let's see. Great! It connected to the 5G network straight away. And what I have read about it says that it stays connected to a 5G network most of the time now. I hope this helps you. Thanks for watching.